He's gonna run.
South on Mansell from Century.
South on Mansell from Century.
60 miles per hour.
68 miles per hour.
5-1, I'm overhead. I can call it here right at 104th, continuing southbound. And correction, eastbound 104th towards Hawthorne.
Eastbound 104 towards Hawthorne.
Speeds are still at about 30. We're still eastbound 104th coming up to Hawthorne now.
Eastbound 104th at Hawthorne now.
We're going to 1022 and let air call it.
And for airship to call it.
Copy that. We're southbound Hawthorne. We're going to be through 105th, coming up to 106th. Alright, still southbound. We're going to come up to Lenox here. Number 1 lane, still at about 30.
Number 1 lane. Going in with the speeds, it broke.
We're at a 30. Still southbound approaching Lenox.
30 miles per hour southbound approaching Lenox.
Alright, we're through the business parking lot going westbound. He's going to come out to Lenox.
Through a business coming out through Lenox.
And we're back eastbound on Lenox, back towards Hawthorne.
Eastbound Lenox towards Hawthorne.
And we're southbound Hawthorne from Lenox, approaching the 105.
Southbound Hawthorne towards the 105.
Did you copy with 1022 and letting air call it?
10-4, copy. You're 1022 letting the airship call it.
And we're still Hawthorne and Lenox. He's going to be stopped in the left turn pocket.
Just confirm it's Lenox and Hawthorne?
Hawthorne, correction. Hawthorne and 111.
Hawthorne and 111.
62 copies, 1022.
And has south delay already been advised in case this thing goes east 105?
South delay has been advised. I'm not sure if they have any other units.
5-1 copy. Still stopped at the light, 111th in Hawthorne.
Stopped at the light, 111th and Hawthorne. S7, if you're 1022ing, am I turning this light off or are we continuing?
I got eyes on, but I'm not getting close to him. He's not lit up.
10-4, do you have any other units that are trying to get in position?
5-1, is there any way that unit can make a right turn into that business parking lot off and then set a spike while traffic is stopped?
Is there a unit nearby? Is that A3?
A3, I'm southbound Hawthorne, north of 111.
5-1, lights turning green, so we're going to make the left turn to go, looks like eastbound. Correction, we're going to stay southbound. Southbound Hawthorne, approaching the 105.
Southbound Hawthorne approaching the 105.
And we're going to ramp on the 105. Looks like we're going to go eastbound 105.
That's the vehicle turn eastbound 105 from Hawthorne.
Got the vehicle lit up again. He's got a flat left rear.
Flat left rear.
626. No yield. Eastbound 105 from Hawthorne.
7907 eastbound 105 from Hawthorne.
62 primary.
60, your primary.
And still eastbound 105, crossing Imperial Highway. We're at 70 with moderate to heavy traffic.
Eastbound just east of Imperial, 70.
Stop your car. Stop the car.
LA on the peak, you got Air 21. We just relieved LAPD, and we do have the pursuit in sight. We'll start calling for you. 105, and he's moving all the way over to the 8. They got 2 units in the pursuit.
Air 5-1, we can continue to call this on the pink like we already were. We're still eastbound 105, coming up on, I believe it's going to be Century here.
Air 50 is going to continue to call.
Crenshaw.
Eastbound just west of Crenshaw. Air 51 is going to continue to call.
So you don't sit on the shoulder. It's going to get kind of bad here.
And still eastbound using the center divide to pass vehicles. Approaching Crenshaw, and we're still at 70.
Eastbound at just west of Crenshaw, 70 miles per hour in the center divider.
And still eastbound 105, we're going to be approaching Van Ness, HOV lane at 70 with moderate traffic.
Eastbound 105 just west of Venice, HOV, 70 miles per hour.
And we're going to be eastbound of Van Ness, back into the HOV lane at 70 with moderate traffic.
Eastbound 105 just east of Venice, 70, moderate traffic.
Just east of Western, number 2 lane.
Eastbound just east of Western.
And we're going to be east of Western. I got a south of unit transitioning a 105 to try to set up for you.
Just confirm you have a visual of a south lane you're trying to set up.
Per the white radio, they have a unit responding 110 105 to try to set up and get in position for you. We're going to be west of Vermont and the 2 and 3 lane. Speed 70 with light traffic.
Stand by. I believe they're trying to catch up. They're unclear. It's going to be eastbound just west of Vermont, 70 miles per hour. Light.
Both rear wheels are out.
Both rear wheels are out.
And still eastbound approaching the 110.
Eastbound 105 just west of the 110.
He's going to take the 110 trans. Stand by for direction.
Taking a trans, stand by for the direction.
Alright, looks like we're going to go southbound 110.
Eastbound 105 taking the southbound 110.
Alright, it'll be now south 110 from the 105, working his way over for 2 lane at 70 with moderate.
Air 51, your transmission broke. I just copied southbound 110 just south of the 105.
It'll be southbound approaching El Segundo in and out of the HOV lane and 1 lane. Speeds are at 80 with light traffic.
Southbound just north of El Segundo, 80 miles per hour light.
Correction, just the left rear wheel is out. Your right one's about to go out.
Left rear is out. The right one is about to go out.
And southbound, we're going to be approaching 135 in the slow lane at 80 with light traffic.
Southbound 110 just north of 135, 80 miles per hour.
It'll be through 135 approaching Rosecrans in the number 3 lane at 80 with light traffic.
Southbound 110 just north of Rosecrans.
Flying, huh?
And we're going to be southbound approaching Redondo, number 2 lane at 80 light traffic.
Southbound just north of Redondo, 80.
You're clear if you pass this up here. You're clear all the way.
Alright, he's going to exit Redondo here.
This vehicle is exiting Redondo.
Make it set.
Alright, continuing southbound. Looks like we may try to ramp back on here.
And permission to pit. Negative, pit.
Alright, ramping back on the southbound 110 from Redondo.
Airship, go again with that 1020.
Back on south 110 from Redondo.
Southbound 110 from Redondo. S7, go again.
6-2, we're running a break. Wheels going out, slowing to around 40.
7962, running a break now, but slowing down to about 40 miles an hour.
And we're going to be south of Alondra, passing over Gardena.
Air 51, go again with that 1020.
We're going to be southbound approaching the 91.
Copy that. Southbound approaching the 91.
Helicopters overhead. It's California Highway Patrol. Stop your
And southbound still, north of 91. Looks like we're going to take the 91 trans here. Speeds are about 40 with light traffic.
Southbound 110 approaching, taking the 91, 40 miles per hour.
Stop your car. Stop the car already. You're not going anywhere.
And it looks like we're going to take the westbound exit, so we'll be turning into Artesia Boulevard.
Taking the westbound 91 from the southbound 710.
620, is a weapon use?
Air 51, are you aware if there was any weapons?
Unclear if there's any weapons. Again, this came out of Ventura County SO, so we're going to be westbound Artesia approaching Vermont.
Westbound Artesia approaching Vermont and unknown its weapons. The original one was 245.
Alright, driver's side door is open, passenger side door is open. Looks like we're going to probably have a foot bell here. Passenger red shirt, pants. Driver is going to be black shirt, pants. I got units detaining both driver and passenger now on Artesia, east of Vermont.
They are detaining the parties now, Artesia just west of Vermont.
East of Vermont.
Just east of Vermont, 10.
And 5-1, if I can just get a code 4 on the pink if you guys are clear.
There units, I can advise code 4 on the pink ground units. (7962) or S7 or U-1097 with this?
We're 97, all day all in.
7964, you're going to be 1097, holding all lanes. Can you confirm if we have a code 4? Last unit, the transmission broke. Go again.
34, wait, code 4. Close. Driver, passenger detained.
7964 is advising code 4, driver and passenger is detained. Clear on the frequency can be 443 at 1741.
Larry, if I won't copy the code 4, crew info when you're ready.
Stand by, just one.